What up, JK Squad? We are back with another video. We know it's been a while since we posted a video. It's been about a little over 2 weeks now. But we ain't gonna worry about that. We are back with another vlog for you guys. Ain't gonna do too much talking right now. We're just gonna jump into this video in like 3, 2, 1.
I got something to say though. It's a little hard here.
You messed up my count, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Like I said, let's jump into this video in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what this video is going to be, we're going to show you guys how to make fried s'mores. This is our very first time making these. So, I don't know how you think they're going to turn out. I think they're going to be pretty fire though.
They're going to be nasty because I don't
They ain't
like
going to be
s'mores.
nasty.
I don't like s'mores.
I like s'mores, but I ain't never had fried s'mores. So this will be my first time having fried s'mores. But before we even get into this video, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Snapchat and Instagram, Jerry_Kijah forever.
Also
Twitter, Jerry_Kijah.
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook. Our names is our Facebook names. But yeah, I think that's all the talking we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and get right into this video.
You already said that.
So, what you'll need for this video, you're gonna need graham crackers, so I can see them.
Let me introduce these right here.
All right, well, go ahead.
Y'all gonna need some chocolate. Let me tell you, get this chocolate. Nestle Toll House Milk Chocolate. Because they fine.
Whatever. Then you're also gonna need mini marshmallows. Usually when you make s'mores, you need the bigger marshmallows, but for this particular meal or dessert, whatever you want to call it, you're gonna need the mini ones. The mini ones.
Meal.
So get the mini ones.
He said meal because this is dinner.
It's pretty much is dinner.
But
All right, and then what is this? What is this we need?
This powdered sugar.
This girl, you know what powdered sugar is. You're also gonna need powdered sugar, and then you're gonna need a baking pan, and you want to make sure you put like some aluminum foil or something inside of it, because you're gonna need to take this out in order to cut the like the chunks or whatever, the layers. So make sure you put something in the baking pan, and then you also want to have some melted chocolate to drizzle over top of the stuff. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. And then as we go along, we'll kind of tell you guys the process of how you fried and whatnot. But yeah.
Yeah, this will be my first time doing this. So like, I really don't know what to do. So Jerry's
Mine
teaching me
too.
everything.
But this is my first time too. But anyways, you're gonna get your pack of graham crackers out.
Them graham crackers look like they nasty.
And basically, you're just gonna like layer these inside
Just
the.
laying them in the pan.
Yeah, so just lay them in the pan.
Oh, I can do that. That's easy.
This one broke a little bit.
I'm the cook, y'all.
Here, we'll take this one out. This one kind of broke.
So when I
We're
say
just gonna layer them in there.
when I say that,
And then
you know who we forgot to
set
call?
that right there.
You know who we forgot to call? Tavante.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to stop by and get them some.
Yeah, we're gonna save some.
Gonna have to.
Jerry washed
Look out
his
for
hands.
Sam.
He washed his hands.
All right, so you're just gonna put all that up in there like that,
When we get to the chocolate, because that's the best part.
and then you get to the chocolate now.
Oh,
So you're gonna take the chocolate and you're just gonna like sprinkle it over top of the graham crackers, just like that. You can put however many you want.
I'm gonna put the whole bag because I want something to eat.
I'm not gonna put the whole bag right here. And then you want to just kind of like spread them out.
Okay, what we're doing once we put the chips down.
All right, so now you want to get your melted chocolate, and you can melt however much you want to. There's really not a specific amount that you have to melt. And then you're just gonna
He gonna hit me.
take it.
That look good.
And you're just gonna like drizzle it over top
It don't make sense though.
of the chocolate chunks.
That look good though.
And you're just gonna drizzle it all over top like that. Ooh.
That looks good.
You just gonna drizzle however much you want to. Like I said, it's not a specific amount. If you're like a real big chocolate fan, then you can put a whole lot on there if you want to.
You put a lot on there because I'm eating a lot.
But you don't want to use it all at one time because you're gonna have to do this 2 times.
And he done used all the chocolate chips.
No, you only put the chocolate chips in there 1 time. You're gonna put this in there 2 times. All right, then once you did that, you got to open your mini marshmallows. Go ahead and cut that open right there. Oh, get the 2 then. And then you're just gonna pour the marshmallows over top. And you don't want to put too many because you don't want to make it too thick.
Yeah, my hands clean. Me and him.
And then just go ahead and spread them out like that. I can put a few more on there.
When I was
certain
little,
spots.
my mom used to buy me and Maya a big bag of marshmallows, and they'd be gone in 2 days. I don't eat them now.
See, I don't eat marshmallows that fast. Alright, whoop.
You dropped one.
I'll drop one. Alright, so once you did that, then you're going to take your melted chocolate again, and you're going to drizzle it over the top of that.
Why you say that now?
Bruh, get the graham crackers. Cause now we got to put the graham crackers back on top.
That really look good.
It's gonna be good, fam. Told you I got that, bro.
Yeah, he think he can cook.
All right.
Who the cook in the house?
Me.
Who the best cook?
Me.
Boy, cook mine.
All right. I think that's good. And just gonna set that to the side, and then yeah, you're just gonna layer the graham crackers on there. And then once you got the graham crackers on there,
open another pack.
Oh yeah. Once you got the graham crackers on there,
Graham crackers.
that's all the prepping that you have to do.
Purple.
So now, leave me alone, bro. So now you want to set it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can get cold and harden up.
He's so country.
Bro, leave me alone, man. And then once it hardened up for about 10 to 15 minutes, then you're gonna take it. Gosh, so chill out, man. Let me talk, bro. Hey, tell them what to do next. Since you want to talk about me, how I'm talking. What do you do after you take it out of the refrigerator?
Fry them.
Fry them in what?
In the pan, the pipe.
In what pan? What pot?
What you talking about?
God, you act so slow. You wanna? We weren't gonna use that one. That one broken. Take that broken one off. Like that whole layer, you can take it off. I don't want it. Just take that one off too.
No, I can't. It's stuck.
It ain't stuck. Take it off, girl. Hey. All right. And then.
Yeah, he's so country.
That one. So, like I was saying, you're gonna fry it. We're gonna fry ours in pancake batter.
Oh.
And then we're gonna fry them until they're like crispy or golden brown, whatever you want to call it. And then after that, we're gonna take them out, pour some powdered sugar on there, and then that's it. We're gonna taste them. So we're about to put these in the refrigerator and let them chill for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and fry them. And then when we come back, we're gonna show you guys the finished product.
All right, guys, we are back. We finished the s'mores, fried s'mores. That's what they're called. Let me tell y'all, Jerry smoked the house up. I almost called the fire department. I'm trying to tell y'all. I couldn't even see.
No, I did.
Y'all already know I'm blind. Like, I haven't worn my glasses the whole video. so like, I'm like, Jerry, hey, you sleep? No, nigga. Like, I cannot see. I can't see.
Bro, you stupid. But anyways, this how they look, y'all. Oh my gosh.
We finna taste them to see how
they look. They look so good.
The house from over there. Taste them.
You gonna taste one? I'm gonna taste one. Come on, let's see what we got. I'm gonna get this one right here.
I want the one this right here because they had.
Look at that one. Let's see.
What is that? What's this?
Mm.
Oh, that's that marshmallow.
Well, these ain't good, y'all. I don't know what you talking about.
Let's see.
That chocolate and marshmallow, it is it's just so nice and melted in my mouth. Oh my god.
It is straight. It's like a funnel cake with chocolate on it.
Yeah, I don't know what it tastes like.
It's straight.
Thumbs up for us. Thumbs up for us.
I guess. And when we're smoking the house up though.
But chill out. Alright. Go and close it out. I think they said that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, y'all. If y'all like this video, I really should record it Jerry smoking the house up. But if y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you follow our Instagram, our Twitter, Snapchat, and our name is Jerry_Kijah, right?
Forever.
Forever.
On Snapchat and Instagram.
On Snapchat and Instagram.
Twitter, Jerry_Kijah.
And Jerry_Kijah on Twitter. Make sure you follow our personal accounts on Facebook. Well, friend us. Me, Kijah Somerville. This guy, Jerry Stickall Jr. Make sure you put the Junior behind it because if you put Jerry Stickall, you're going to be following his dad.
You're going to be following my dad.
But I guess this is it, y'all. I guess we'll see y'all in another video.
Another video.
Toodles.
Deuces.